The river glyphs of Mississippi. Along the winding banks of the Mississippi River, where mist drifts low across the water and ancient cottonwoods lean like silent witnesses, a series of enigmatic carvings has begun to reemerge from the mud and silt. These are the river glyphs of Mississippi, an array of symbols, spirals, and zoomorphic shapes etched into stone long before European contact, long before recorded history in this region. They offer a glimpse into a forgotten cosmology, one shaped by the rhythms of the river itself and the celestial patterns the people above it once revered. Archaeologists first identified the glyphs after seasonal floods shifted the shoreline, revealing stone surfaces that had been hidden for centuries. Some panels show what appear to be celestial pathways, arcs of intertwining lines that may correspond to the movement of the sun and stars as reflected upon the water's surface. Others depict animals in motion, turtles, serpents, cranes, and horned creatures that seem to straddle the boundary between earthly beings and spiritual guides. Many researchers believe these animals represent guardians of natural forces, embodying the river's cycles of creation, destruction, and renewal. What makes the river glyphs particularly compelling is the way they blend land and sky into a unified visual philosophy. One panel shows a great serpent coiling upward, its body transitioning fluidly into a constellation-like pattern above. Another displays concentric rings radiating outward from a central point, a motif thought to symbolize both the ripple of a stone cast into water and the expansion of spiritual power across the world. These interconnected symbols suggest a worldview in which the river was not merely a geographic feature, but a living axis, an umbilical link between the physical realm, the ancestral world, and the heavens. Oral traditions among descendant communities speak of a time when the river served as a sacred teacher. Elders tell of ancestors who could read the water, interpreting its flow, its depth, and its reflections as messages from sky spirits and earth guardians. Some stories describe ceremonial gatherings held at the very sites where the glyphs now sit, moments when the people would commune with both the river and the stars to understand their place within the universe. Though these narratives vary, they all point to a profound relationship between humans and the natural world, one rooted in respect, reciprocity, and observation. Today, the river glyphs of Mississippi remain a puzzle still being pieced together. But as each carving is cataloged and each symbol decoded, we recover not just forgotten artistry, but fragments of a sophisticated cosmology, one shaped by water, memory, and the eternal journeys of the sky. Help the channel by like, share, subscribe.